Ananta Apparels Ltd, established in 1992. Globally employ 26,000. Annual turnover exceeds $300 million. Investments in technology and material innovation. To protect the planet, our core concern is to go as green as possible. Raise energy efficiency 40%, responsible packaging 100%, efficient waste disposal 85%, carbon reduction 70%. Our mission: design innovation, catering to customers' needs by practicing innovative ideas across design and manufacturing. Exceeding expectation, enabling clients to achieve their goals to become leaders in their markets and industries. Safe and healthy workspaces, protecting employees globally by providing safe and healthy work environments. Continuous CSR growth, taking corporate social and environmental responsibilities seriously for continued growth.